Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USDT on KuCoin. First, you need to set up your KuCoin account. Navigate to the registration page and follow the prompts to create your profile. Make sure to complete the identity verification process, often called KYC, to unlock higher transaction limits and ensure full access to all features. Finally, enable two-factor authentication for robust security. Once your account is ready, you'll need to fund it. You can deposit fiat currency directly using methods like a bank transfer or a credit card, depending on your region. Another option is to transfer existing cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, from an external wallet. Always double-check that you select the correct network for your crypto deposit to avoid any loss of funds. Now, let's buy some USDT. Head to the Buy Crypto section on KuCoin. Here, you can choose to purchase USDT directly using your deposited fiat or other cryptocurrencies. Select your preferred payment method and input the desired amount of USDT. Carefully review all the transaction details, including the price and fees, before confirming your order to complete the purchase. Protecting your assets is crucial. After purchasing, store your USDT securely within your KuCoin wallet, or consider transferring it to a hardware wallet for maximum security, especially for larger amounts. Always be vigilant against phishing scams and only interact with official KuCoin websites and communications. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Staying informed and secure will enhance your crypto journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.